Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for mid-March 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you Gemini, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Gemini, so let's get into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for mid-March 2021. Let's see what we have for you here Gemini. Also Gemini, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Gemini, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so wonderful Gemini, I've got two aces coming up for you here, the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups energy. Let's see oh wow, I've got new beginning coming up for you here Gemini. Okay, so let's start with the reading. On this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy here Gemini. Again, because this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign I've got for you here Gemini, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. I'm getting a very strong water energy coming up here, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, as well as a very strong fire energy, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Now looking at into your energy here Gemini, I've got the King of Pentacles, I've got the Strength energy, and then I've got the World card coming up here. It's quite interesting when I've got the World card coming up here, and then I've also got the Fool energy coming up here as the overall energy. So I feel like there is going to be a very strong at the end of the cycle, the completion of a circle is what I'm getting coming up strongly for you here Gemini. And with this completion of a cycle, this is basically going to be your energy where you're going to take that particular leap of faith towards something, towards the one that you love, towards basically like towards this new beginning in your life is what I'm getting for you here Gemini. Now looking at this world energy here, the completion of a cycle, now this can mean so many things. I'm getting like for a very specific group of you here Gemini, you are currently in a third party situation, or your person currently in a third party situation. Just take it as it resonates, because this is a collective energy reading. So I do feel like some of you here Gemini are currently in a third party situation or stuck in a karmic situation or third party situation here, and that particular third party situation, that particular karmic situation is actually coming up to the end with this world energy. And then I've also got the Strength energy coming up for you here Gemini. So this is like a major lesson I would say here, which is actually like going to give you the strength that you need, I would say here. I do feel like some of you here Gemini, that this particular third party situation and this particular karmic situation does not really benefit you any longer, but there has been something within yourself that you just could not completely let go of that here. Again, this is like some sort of personal issue, I would say here. This could also be like a marriage situation that you just cannot break from the marriage. But whatever the situation here Gemini, with this World card energy, this is something that long due, I would say here. This is something that the decision that you should be taken a long time ago, but because you did not take this decision, this is finally the universe, God, angels, whoever you believe in, he is finally pushing you or moving you into that direction. And you have that strength, you have all of this power within yourself here to go through this. And this is also another reason why I've got the King of Pentacles energy coming up for you here Gemini. The King of Pentacles is the little emperor energy, so like someone who's actually grounded, someone who's actually mature enough, full of responsibility. The gender does not matter, can be male or female. But with this King of Pentacles energy, you are much more stable, or at least you are much more in a stable position at this point of time to finally make that decision and to finally to break yourself free from all of this toxic energy, from all of this negative energy. And in return, you are going to take the leap of faith here towards what you have been manifesting, towards what you've been waiting to get, is what I'm getting for you here Gemini. So definitely a wonderful energy, I would say here. A very strong completion of a cycle and taking leap of faith towards the new beginning is what I'm getting here. So it's also quite interesting. The end of the cycle as well as a new and the beginning of a new one is coming up very strongly here. So keep me updated on the comment section. Now, looking at your person energy here, Gemini, I've got the Knight of Pentacles coming up here, the Nine of Wands, and then the Ace of Cups energy. Now, it's also quite interesting with your person energy, because with this Nine of Wands energy and the Ace of Cups energy coming up here, the first thing that I'm getting from your person here, Gemini, is that a very strong hesitation energy to open up themselves, basically like to opening up themselves emotionally. This Nine of Wands energy, what I'm getting from your person here is that a very strong defensiveness is what I'm getting here. So it's like almost your person have been putting up all of this high wall up surrounding themselves here, Gemini, because like all of this high wall up energy is like a way, it's like a defense mechanism for them is what I'm getting here. So your person, they have been putting a lot of defense mechanism, they have been quite defensive within themselves all of this time here, and they finally opening up themselves to feel this love, at least to just feel this emotion within themselves is what I'm getting here. And that is why I've got the Ace of Cups energy coming up for you here, Gemini, which is actually them opening up their heart for your love. They are opening up their heart, and they're opening up, like not only opening up their heart to the love that both of you share here, but they're also opening up their heart to understand the soul purpose and to understand the connection, like the truth about this connection is what I'm getting coming up strongly for you here, Gemini. So this is also why I've got the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups, and then I've also got the Wheel of Fortune coming up here. So whatever going to happen from now on, from mid of March here, Gemini will actually be moving forward into your direction. So it's like going to be a huge domino effect coming up for you here. Like everything is just starting to fall into places here, like the union, the communication, everything is just like starting to fall into places from now on, moving forward into the future here. And not only about that, like not only they are opening up themselves into like to feel the love and to feel this connection here, Gemini, they're also ready to offer you the committed offer. They're also ready to offer you this committed relationship, this committed energy here, Gemini. This is basically something that you've been waiting for quite a long time, I would say here. Now, I've also got the Nine of Pentacles. So the first thing that I've got here is that, as you can see here, with this Ace of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles, so as you can see here, this person is actually literally carrying this offer, literally carrying this pentacle to come towards you here. So they're definitely coming towards you here, Gemini. One thing that I need to point out here is that with this decreased energy, so I do feel like because of the long waiting period here, or at least because of all of this, like back and forth energy, all of this karmic situation, all of this negative energy that both of you have been stuck with here, but more specifically here, because of the long waiting period, especially with this Knight of Pentacles energy, this is quite the slowest moving energy, I would say here. You have been having this particular fear within yourself, like this is it, the union is not going to happen, everything is just like slipping from my hand, like I'm just like all of this possibility for both of us to reconcile or for both of us to reconnect here is just like keep on decreasing here. Now, this is your fear is actually talking here, Gemini. So do not pay attention to the fear, because a very strong new beginning energy is coming up towards you here, Gemini. They are coming towards you. They are opening up their heart to feel the love of both of your connection here, Gemini, as well as they're also ready for a new beginning for both of you here. So that's it for your reading here, Gemini. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye-bye.